everyone, Steve Szara here from Szara Dental Lab, and guess what day it is today? It's Tuesday at noon, so we got a new video coming out. If you're new, check out some of my other videos. They're all about orthodontic appliances, everything from A to Z. But in this video, we are going to be testing out heat cure acrylic versus cold cure acrylic. So what's the advantages? What's the disadvantages? Which one's faster? Which one does a better job? Which one makes your acrylic better? We are going to find out in this video, so pay attention. Sit back, relax, enjoy the video. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. We will talk to you next week. In the first example one, I demonstrate heat cure. Now this is my salt and pepper technique, so you get a good observation of how I make retainers. Something you might notice is the monomer is a slight tinted violet. And I will link another video that I just made showing you how to make crystal clear retainers every single time by using this little trick. Now the one thing I've been doing for years on years is I was told to use a blue dye or blue monomer, like a concentrated blue monomer, just a tad in my clear, and that would make for a crystal clear retainer. And although it did a very good job, the violet brings out the clearness so much better. It makes it almost crystal clear if you do it correctly. And the key to getting the right amount of violet is to practice and to get the right mix. If you use too much violet, your retainers will look purplish. If you use too little, they will go back to looking yellowish. So the key is to get that perfect mix. Here I'm demonstrating that I'm actually using warm water, 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, only after 5 minutes of the heat cure, now remind you, I did not submerge the retainer in water. I put it on a platform in a pot at 130 degrees. And it's perfectly hard as a rock, cured with bubble free. Now here you go with example 2. This is the cold cure technique. I'm going to put this retainer in a cold pressure pot. Now, everything is going to be the exact same technique-wise. I tried to keep my salt and pepper exactly the exact same. The same monomer, the same polymer, the same technician doing it to try to keep it as close to example 1 as possible. While I'm doing this, if you can please leave me a like, I would greatly appreciate it because it helps my YouTube algorithm and build this channel so I can produce more content like this. It also, by leaving a like, it tells YouTube what you want to see. So it might not necessarily be one of my videos, but it might be something related to orthodontics that might pique your interest. And the only way YouTube knows that is by leaving a thumbs up like, and it tells people, hey, I'm really liking orthodontic content. Please send me more videos relating to these topics. Now with sample 2, I put it in a cold cure pressure pot under the same exact 24 psi. After removing the retainer after 5 minutes and checking exactly like example 1, this is what I discovered. The retainer wasn't close to being set up. It was still soft, so right away I put it back in the pot. Another 5 minutes went by, so now we're up to 10 minutes. I open up the pot to see. I'm assuming it would be cured by now. And it still was soft. It wasn't cured. So again, I put it back in the pot. This time I left it in the pot for a full 10 more minutes. So it was 20 minutes altogether. Finally, the retainer was cured. Now I know what you're thinking. It's not a good idea to keep opening the pot up while retainers are curing. What it does is it causes porosity, it causes all kinds of trouble. But the good news is I did get a perfect 100% cure, bubble-free, the exact as sample 1. So without a doubt, example 1 cured in 5 minutes with heat. They both cured exactly the same, crystal clear, bubble-free. The acrylic did a great job, but if you have the money to spend on a pressure pot that has heat, I would highly suggest it because time is everything in this business. Time equals money. And clearly example 1 wins hands down.